Falkirk Model Railway Show, November 2023, Part 3. Tulloch Bridge in 00 gauge, exhibited by Scottish modellers. Tulloch Bridge is set on the West Highland Line, a few stations south of Fort William. Set from 2004 to the current day, the station serves the local community as well as being a gateway to the West Highlands for tourists, hikers and cyclists. The Caledonian Sleeper passes through on its journey north and south, giving passengers the opportunity to travel to Scotland's Central Belt or London. Frequent freight and engineers workings pass through, as well as the usual Class 156s between Glasgow and Fort William. Millig Yard, in 00 gauge, exhibited by Helensburgh and District Model Railway Club. Millig Yard is imagined to be situated near a large marshalling yard, providing wagon repairs and loco servicing facilities. There are also sidings used by the Civil Engineering Department. At the rear is a secondary main line which has a service of various DMUs passing. The layout is set in the BR Blue era up to the present day and is DCC controlled with a mixture of scratch-built and ready-made buildings. Rolling stock is a combination of ready-to-run and kit-built, and many of the locomotives have sound. Hinkley in N gauge, exhibited by Stirling and Clackmannan District Model Railway Club. A small terminal station in a residential industrial part of town set in the 50s and 60s. Along with passenger traffic, there are coal and other freight facilities which provides constant interest. This is a home-built DC layout which was gifted to the club by a member. Inverboyndie, in 00 gauge, exhibited by the Greenock Model Railway Club.
We'll go and see if the catering queues any less than it was.
Right, yeah, see how that goes.
Inverboyndie is based on Banff on the Murray coast. It is 00 scale, end to end. It features the Banff station and a small distillery with the same name as the layout. Control is by Lens DCC. Woodside Central, in 00 gauge, exhibited by Glenrothes Model Railway Club. Woodside is a fictional seaside town, once popular for day trips and summer holidays for city dwellers. The town station has long since become a car park, but Central has remained as a terminal station. The two platforms cater for the busy commuter traffic, and a goods yard services the local oats factory along with some coal and agricultural related traffic. Eli Wood, in N gauge, exhibited by Eric Farraher. The model is based on an imaginary location, somewhere in England, and depicts an electrified main line, a branch line, and a turn-back siding to watch trains. The rolling stock, including the working road vehicles, are a mixture of ready-to-run items and kit-built models that may have been seen in the period 2000 to the present day. Williamson River, in HO gauge, exhibited by Cooper and District Model Railway Club. Williamson River represents an end of a freight spur somewhere in British Columbia, Canada. As is commonplace in Canada, trees are chopped down with branches removed. Logs are floated down the river and are collected from the water at the transfer point and then loaded onto freight cars and transported to a local sawmill. The Williamson River Trading Company has a large warehouse by the riverside for storage and distribution. A small mine, dating back to the early 20th century, is still producing minerals which are transported away by rail for processing. The elevated line clinging to the hillside carries passenger services to and from the city. Keep an eye out for Bud rail cars passing by. Freight trains are operated by Canadian National, Canadian Pacific, and BC Rail. Williamson River is named in memory of the late Gregor Williamson, missed friend and former chair of Cooper and District Model Railway Club.